Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of How to Crypto. Today, I'm back with another easy tutorial on how to sign up for FTX Wallet. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Now let's get started. Open up a web browser of your choice. In the web address bar, type in ftx.com/wallet and search. You'll be able to find yourself in the official web page of FTX, which looks like this. Click on the register button at the top right hand corner in order to sign up for FTX. FTX offers a custodial wallet where you can store cryptocurrency you purchase, send and receive coins to, and from other wallets. Once you end up in the creator account page right here, go ahead and enter a valid email address that you have access to in the first text box. Now head over to the next field and create a password for your account. While creating a password, make sure that your password is strong. It includes an uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and a special character in your password. Finally, after typing in the credentials, click on I agree to the FTX Terms of Service box and finally click on Create Account. Wait for a few seconds. Soon after you do that, you have successfully signed up for FTX Wallet. Now, type in your first legal name into the first text box and then type in your last name on the next. Provide your date of birth information by typing in your birth month, day, and year. Finally, click Continue. On the next page, select your country of residence. Type in your street address on the next field. Once you type in your street address, other information will be typed in automatically. Now, click Continue at the bottom. Type in a valid phone number of yours and click on Send Code. You'll receive an SMS verification code on your mobile number. Type in the verification code into the text box and finally click on Go to Wallet, and there you have successfully signed up for FTX Wallet. This will be your main home page. To go to your profile, click on your email address at the top right hand and click on Settings, and there is your profile for your FTX account. I hope the tutorial was helpful for you, and that is how you can easily create or sign up for a new account on FTX Wallet. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.